Alright, the package came today. After reading all the reviews about the Instant Pot and all the other brands. And this is a newcomer. It's been out just a little while. I think so. Anyway. I went for this one because of the price. It's a little cheaper. You get more accessories. And it's got a lot of good reviews, so I decided to check it out and I don't know, see what happens. So anyway, it came today. Let's unbox it and check it out. And by the way, I got it off Amazon. It was 99 bucks. Let's take this out. Okay. So here you go. It's a multi-pot, and it's by Mealthy. So like I said, I think they're a newcomer. They've been out a short while. A lot of good reviews. The color of the pot's a little bit darker, like a gunmetal gray. It's got a lot of features. Let's open it up and see what you get. This package is pretty good. Recipe book, a small one, with a few recipes. User's guide. Getting started. And some shortcuts. Some cheat sheets. Also, they have an app online for a bunch of recipes, and that's free. The cord, an extra silicone ring, or silicone, whatever you want to say, extra ring. Like I said, this package is pretty good. Let's see if there's any dents in this thing. Here's the pot. That's it. It's a 6-quart. Look at that thing. Nice. It's like a dark gray, gunmetal gray. Nice control panel. Not too large, not too small. Let's see here. There's the lid, no dents. Ring inside there. Looks like the Instant Pot. Very similar. Except for more features, or extra goodies. Some mitts, inner pot liner, steamer basket, quite nice. Nice liner with markings. It's like the Instant Pot. Trivet, or a basket stand, or whatever you want to call it. Elevated, a little bit higher. Measuring cup, ladle, and I guess scoop or spoon, whatever you want to call this. There's the cup. 2 plastic utensils. Let me open this up. And there you go. Warning label. Inner. The back of it. And like I said, looks nice. There's no dents. This is the unboxing of my new pot. I've used the stovetop quite a few times. Decided to get one of these after all the reviews. Just out of convenience, just to check it out and see what happens. If I don't like it, I'll be sending it back. But there you go, it's got all the functions, just like the multi-pot. Less money and extra goodies. So we'll see what happens. I'll make another video when I decide to cook something in here, and I'll video it for you guys and we'll check it out. Alright, later.